Alright, so oddly enough, YouTube doesn't allow YouTube Kids or to be installed on a PC, only on a tablet or a phone. So what I came up with is installing an Android emulator on the PC. The one we went with is called BlueStacks version 4. And you open that, you set it up, and it allows you to run it like a phone or a tablet. Go into Google Play, put any app you want on there, and from there we put in YouTube Kids. You can see it starting up here. There it is, YouTube Kids. And there you go. How to put YouTube Kids on a PC. And then, so like with my son, when he plays Roblox, he can listen to something from YouTube Kids while playing Roblox on Chrome. There you go. How to put YouTube Kids on a PC. Again, the one we went with was BlueStacks. So if you go on a search and you type either BlueStacks or Android emulator, you can do that. And you can do that with any... That way you can get any kind of app that you can't get on your computer, some sort of game or something, on your PC, and then it has the processing power of your PC, which is better than your tablet usually. Enjoy.